Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using the platform. PayPal is venturing further into the world of digital currencies, allowing users in the United States to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies directly within their PayPal accounts. This service offers a convenient way to manage your crypto alongside your traditional finances, all within a familiar interface. The platform supports popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Purchasing is straightforward, with options to buy set amounts or invest a specific dollar value. You can monitor your crypto holdings within the dedicated OCrypto section of your PayPal account. This dashboard provides real-time price updates and a comprehensive overview of your portfolio. When you're ready to cash out, selling your crypto is just as easy as buying, converting your digital assets back into US dollars that can be used for other transactions within PayPal or transferred to your linked bank account. While PayPal offers a user-friendly entry point into the crypto market, it's important to understand that the crypto held within PayPal cannot be transferred to external wallets. This means you won't be able to send your PayPal-held crypto to other platforms or individuals. This limitation is a key factor to consider when deciding if PayPal's crypto services are right for you. This restriction aims to simplify the process for newcomers while maintaining a secure environment. For more in-depth information, you can visit PayPal's website directly using the link provided in the description. Their official page provides further details about supported cryptocurrencies, fees, and specific terms of service. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency involves inherent risks, and it's crucial to do your own research before making any investment decisions. This video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment choices.